Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to streak on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. The first step is to take a photo or a video. Now you can edit the photo that you have just taken. I will just be adding a simple text by tapping on the T icon at the top right of our screen. Once you're done, tap on Send To at the bottom right of your screen. Select the user that you want to send the snap to. Tap on the arrow at the bottom right of your screen to successfully send your snap. Now you can see a small fire icon right next to the user's profile. This means that you have successfully created a Snapchat streak. Creating a streak on Snapchat is only possible if you and your friend are both sending at least one snap per day. You can increase the number of your streaks by sending each other snap every day. And that's it. This is how you streak on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.